Congrats, you just made your first appointment with your career advisor. But what are you supposed to do now? Before you meet with your advisor, here's a few things you'll want to do. First, save the appointment time in your calendar. It can be easy to accidentally forget you made an appointment, so be sure to save the time and date. Next, create a list of questions. Career advisors are here to answer your questions, so be sure to bring some. Be on time. Show up at least 5 to 10 minutes early to ensure you have as much time as you need. If your appointment is virtual, be sure to join the Zoom waiting room at least 5 minutes prior to your actual meeting time. Your advisor will let you in once they're ready. For in-person appointments, once you've arrived, go to the Career Services front desk across from the elevators. Tell the receptionist that you are here for a career advising appointment and tell them for which advisor. They will let your advisor know that you've arrived. Lastly, wait at the couches outside of Career Services. Be patient. Your career advisor will come and get you and bring you to their office. Now you know what to do once you've made an appointment with a career advisor. For more information on how to book a career advising appointment, visit our website at careerservices.illinoisstate.edu.